Meanwhile, after Congress leader Vikramaditya Singh accused actor-turned-politician Kangana Ranaut of eating beef, Kangana has now hit back at the Congress leader. She has said that the Congress has nothing to talk about other than discussing her character.
तो दोस्तों, ये लोग बड़ी कूटनीतियां चलाएंगे, ये लोग बड़े ही आपको भ्रमित करेंगे। इनकी बातों में आपने बिल्कुल नहीं आना है, चाहे ये कुछ भी कह दें आपको। अब इन्होंने कहा कि इसने गौ मांस खाया, फिर मैंने कहा कि बताइए आपके पास कुछ तो प्रमाण होगा। तो कहते हैं जी अरे छोड़ो, हमको आपके खाने पीने से क्या लेना देना। बताइए भैया, आप ही तो खाने पीने की बात कर रहे थे। फिर कहते जी ये महिला अशुद्ध है, ये अपवित्र है, इसका चरित्र नहीं है। फिर मैंने इनको कल अपना चरित्र बताया, तो फिर ये लोग कहते अरे यहां वहां की बातें छोड़िए, आप काम की बात कीजिए, आप मुद्दे की बात कीजिए। तो दोस्तों, ये लोग बड़ी कूटनीतियां चलाएंगे, ये लोग बड़े ही आपको भ्रमित करेंगे। इनकी बातों में आपने बिल्कुल नहीं आना है, चाहे ये कुछ भी कह दें आपको। अब इन्होंने कहा कि इसने गौ मांस खाया, फिर मैंने कहा कि बताइए आपके पास कुछ तो प्रमाण होगा। तो कहते हैं जी अरे छोड़ो, हमको आपके खाने पीने से क्या लेना देना। बताइए भैया, आप ही तो खाने पीने की बात कर रहे थे। फिर कहते जी ये महिला अशुद्ध है, ये अपवित्र है, इसका चरित्र नहीं है। फिर मैंने इनको कल अपना चरित्र बताया, तो फिर ये लोग कहते अरे यहां वहां की बातें छोड़िए, आप काम की बात कीजिए, आप मुद्दे की बात कीजिए।
All right, so that's the latest round of war of words over beef consumption in Mandi district. Pallavi Ghosh is with us. Pallavi, on what grounds has Vikramaditya Singh made these allegations against Kangana Ranaut? Does he have evidence to show that she, in fact, in the past has been a beef consumer, that she has eaten beef?
But going by an earlier tweet of hers, but the context also has to be understood. Vikramaditya Singh could be fielded opposite Kangana Ranaut from Mandi, so that could be one reason why he really wants to raise a shackle. Second is Himachal is also called Dev Bhumi, and in Dev Bhumi, it's considered to be anti-Hindu if you're having beef. So he wants to project her as a person who's not in sync with the rituals or the traditions of a Dev Bhumi like Himachal Pradesh. So that's his political compulsion and that's his political strategy, which is why he's making these kind of allegations against Kangana.
But could this backfire for him rather than, taking her on issues of development which the Prime Minister has been harping on, than wading into this whole beef controversy? How do you view this new
Well, I mean, it's a double-edged sword because if the opposition is attacking the Prime Minister of dodging from real issues like jobs and rising prices and focusing instead on issues like food habits, then the Congress will be equally accused by the BJP of doing the same in the context of Kangana Ranaut. Second, as I said, I mean, political strategy in a state like Himachal Pradesh where they are around 90% Hindus.
Right.